Hello students, welcome in the class. Today our topic is article. Today we will know about the article a, and the. Basically, an article is an adjective because like adjectives, article also modifies nouns and it is used before noun. In English, there are two articles, means two types of articles. First one is the and second is e and n. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns and e and n is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. It is considered a unit but their uses are different. Here there are two types of article, indefinite and definite. E and N. These are called indefinite article because these are used to with general things. And the is a definite article which is used with a specific things to specify any noun. At first, we will see the use of A and N. Here, article A is used before the words that begin with a consonant sound. I hope you all know what is consonant and what is vowel. Actually, there are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O, and U. These are vowel. And except these 5, all the 21 alphabets are consonant. So we use A with consonant sound word. When any word starts with a consonant sound word, then we use A. Like you can see in the example, boy, boy. In boy, B is a consonant, that's why we use A. And similarly in the girl, G is a consonant and we use A. And similarly in all the examples, a cat, a man, a car, a woman, a man and a table. In the second example, article A is used before those words that begin with a vowel pronounced with the sound of a consonant. Means they starts with a vowel but their sound is consonant, like European. Here European. If you see the European, here you find the sound of U, European. And in Hindi if you write it, then you use ya. That's why it is not a vowel. Means sound of European. In the sound of European, E is not a vowel because here E is considered a silent word, and that's why we use E here. And similarly in all these examples, like a university, a one-eyed man, and a unique item, a uniform. Here the pronunciation sound is not like vowel. That's why we use A here. Third one, article N is used before the words that begin with a vowel. Like there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. And you can see the example, an inkpot, air. The word starts with I and it is a vowel. An old man, again with a vowel. An honest man. Here you can see honest. It starts with H, but H is silent here. And we pronounce it honest. Means according to the pronunciation, O is the first word of this word. That's why we use N here. And similarly in the R, we pronounce it as R, not R. H is silent here also. That's why we use N here. As you can see, in the pronunciation of honest and R, H is silent. N is used before those words that begin with a consonant but pronunciation are vowel sound, like MLA. If we write M, then in the M, A is the first word and it is a vowel. As you know, in Hindi also it is a vowel. You can say sure. So in MP, M, MLA, MA, SDO, S. and SP also. So their pronunciation are vowel. That's why we use N here. So remember, you have to see the pronunciation while using A or N. We will see the use of the in detail. Means where we can use the. The is used before the names of unique things. Means the things which are unique, which is one in the world, like sun. Sun is only one and it is unique in itself. So we use the before it. Earth, the moon. These things are unique and you can say one thing in itself. Second one is before the names of ocean and seas like the Pacific Ocean, the Black Sea, etc. Before the names of rivers and canals like the Ganga, the Suez Canal, etc. As you know, Ganga is a holy river. Fourth, before the names of mountain ranges like the Himalaya, the Alps, etc. With superlative degrees. As you know, there are three types of degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. For example, like you can see the example good. Good is a positive degree. Better, it is a comparative degree, and best, it is superlative degree. We use superlative degree to compare one with others. So we use the before superlative degree. As you can see in the example, this is the best book of English grammar. यानी कि यह इंग्लिश ग्रामर की सबसे बेस्ट बुक है. So best is superlative degree and we use the before it. Next one, before an adjective when the noun is understood. Like the rich, the poor. Here we are talking to all the rich people and all the poor people, not only one. That's why we use the here. Next, before musical instruments, like she can play the flute. Flute is a musical instrument and we use the before it. Next one, the is used to represent the whole class, like the cow. If we are talking about only one cow, then we use a cow. But when we talk about all the cows, then we use the cow. So the is used to represent the whole class also. Before the names of certain books like the Bible, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, it is a particular book or any other book. When you want to specify that things or that book, then you have to use the before it. Next one, before ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are first, second, third, and so on. So these are called ordinal numbers and we use the before these words. Like here you can see he was the first man to arrive. So here first it is an ordinal number and that's why we use the here. I hope now it is clear to you. Thank you.